There are actually four platforms that I am very familiar with, and I know they offer free funding for traders, but traders don't actually see it. All it takes is just 1 month of trading for them to see how good you are and whether you are worth having that particular free account they're going to offer you. You don't need to pay anything, it's absolutely free to register, and it is just on their website, but we seem to ignore it. One of those prop firms that I am very aware of is Funding Pips. Funding Pips has been around for a very long time now, almost more than 2 years or getting to 4 years now, and they are actually based in Dubai. Now the price pool, what you are getting for first place is going to be 100k plus $1,500 if you come out first place. If you come out second place, you're going to get 100k evaluation plus $1,200, so you're getting less than the first person. If you come out third place, you're getting 100k evaluation plus $1,000. If you come out fourth place, you're getting 100k evaluation only, and the fifth place too, so you're also getting 50k evaluation only. From 6th to 10th, you are getting 25k evaluation only, and then from 11th to 20th, you're going to get only 10k evaluation only. So competition price: 13 random participants ranked from 4th place to 100th place to 1000th place will receive a cash compensation of $100. So that is from this 4th place to the 1000th place, you're going to get $100 cash reward. Be assured of that. So Funding Tips is one of them. They give you free funding, and you don't even need to do anything much to get it. Just register and take your trading seriously for at least 1 month, and they get to see whether you are good. If you are part of the first 100 or the first 50, you get some prizes. If you are part of the first 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 traders, you get higher rewards than the rest of the traders. Now, the second platform I want to talk about is Funded Next. Funded Next also offers cash prizes and also funded accounts for competition. Okay, so the first person for Funded Next is getting $5,000 in cash plus Stellar Light 100k account, and the second person is getting $2,000 in cash plus Stellar Light 100k. Then the third person is getting $100,000 in cash plus Stellar Light 100k. So from the fourth person to around the 10th person, they are not getting any cash prizes. They are only getting a 50k Stellar Light account. And from the 11th to 20th, you're getting Stellar Light 25. So 21st to 50th, you're getting 10k. And from the 51st to 100th person, you are getting a 5k account. Partnernext has been around for a very long time. They're actually part of the OGs. For some reason, I used not to like Funded Next because when they started, they had a lot of controversies too as well. Funding Pips had no controversies at the beginning, but in the middle they had controversies, and now they have no problem. I've not heard any rumors about them yet. Funded Next still has some certain controversies. When you make too much profits on their account, they see you not to be someone that can sustain business, so they kick you off their platform. They have every right to do that. Even FTMO does this to protect those that are actually doing safe trading on their platform to get money, all right, also, or to get their payout instead of just coming to trying to rig the system, buying a lot of prop firms, hitting big lot sizes to get payout. The third prop firm is GOAT Funded. You're going to get iPhone 16 plus a gaming chair plus a monitor for the first place. For the second place, you are getting iPhone 16 plus a gaming chair. Third place, you're only getting iPhone 16 plus a monitor. Fourth place, you're going to get only iPhone 15 instead of 16, and then a GOAT funded hoodie. Alright, then you're going to get iPhone 15 for the fifth place, 100k instant GOAT funded for the sixth place, 50k instant GOAT funded for the seventh place, 100k GOAT two-step challenge for the eighth place, 50k two-step challenge for 9th k, 25k two-step challenge for the 10th first place. Then 11 to 15, you're getting 50% coupon code, meaning you don't get an account, you get a coupon code. And for the 16th to 20th place, you're getting 30% coupon code. Now from the 21st to 25th, you're going to get My Trading Journey. It is a journaling platform and also a backtesting platform software for 1 year. Now the fourth one that I think is also as good is instant funding. For instant funding, I don't know, I just added them because they seem to be a legit company. I've never traded with them too as well. All you just need to do is head straight to their platform, click on tournaments right here. The first person is getting $1,000 cash prize plus 100k one phase challenge, then plus an interview. Right, the second person is getting $2,000, same thing as the first person, plus an interview. Same, then the third person is getting $500, same funding challenge and an interview. Fourth to 10th person is getting $150 plus 50k, and the second person, the 11th to 30th person is getting $100 cash prize plus 25k one phase challenge. And also the 31st place to 100th place is getting 25k challenge plus a one phase, and then they don't get any money. And the 101 place plus and beyond, they get discount and special offers. This one they've not disclosed the discounts you are getting, but I think this is what you're going to get. So these are some of the prop firms that I have in mind. Please, if you know of any other prop firm that also offer free funding in the route that I have shown in this video, please make sure to list there, to comment below that particular prop firm, so that traders who don't have money at all can be able to use this particular platform to make money without having to go and hustle outside to come and be buying prop firms that they'll end up losing at the end of the day. And the reason why I am choosing this particular route to share to you guys is because with funding in this particular way, you just need to only waste your time in 1 month. Within this 1 month, you get to learn how to trade demo accounts, and that feels like a life account because you feel like you're getting to achieve some money at the end of the day, either an account or the prices they are going to give to you. So that is what I have for you today. I realized that the previous video I did, a lot of people are watching it, and actually it made me realize that people are out there that absolutely have been in the position I have been in before 2 years ago, and I think it is now absolutely on my part to play a fatherly role. Of course, don't mention, that's why they talk a fatherly role, a mentor, and also someone with experience over these years to show you that there is a way to get funded without having to use your money to buy a prop firm absolutely for free, and you get to get a payout. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next episode.